these neurotransmitters 5-HT, now they interact with its receptors. These are the receptor of 5-HT, 5-HTA, 5-HT1, 1A, B, C, D, F. These are the subtypes. And this 5-HT is GI inhibitory coupled GI coupled receptor found in brain. 5-HT1P again GI and found in enteric nervous system. And this 5-HT2A is GQ coupled smooth muscle, platelets, brain and skeletal muscles. 5-HT2B GQ coupled found stomach. 5-HT2C again GQ and found in brain. 5-HT3 is ionic and found in area postrema and sensory and enteric neurons. 5-HT4 is again GS found in CNS and smooth muscles. 5-HT5, 6, 7 they are GS found in different areas of the brain. These are the receptors of serotonin. इसके अलावा भी और बहुत से है, तो तमाम 5-HT रिसेप्टर्स दे आर सर्पेंटाइन रिसेप्टर. इसको याद रखें, तमाम जितने भी सेरोटोनर्जिक रिसेप्टर है दे आर सर्पेंटाइन, दे आर 7 पास रिसेप्टर एक्सेप्ट 5-HT3 which is ionic channel. So these 5-HT serotonin interact with its receptors for the biological action. There are some agonist and antagonist of these receptors. For example, alpha methyl serotonin stimulating 5-HT2 and 5-HT3. While these receptors are blocked by cyproheptadine, which is used as appetizer, phenoxybenzamine. This 5-HT3 is blocked by tropicitrone, granicitrone, ondansetron, which are antiemetic drugs. This 5-HT4 and 2 both are stimulated by cisapride, domperidone, methoxytryptamine, and so on. And this 5-HT7 is inhibited by clozapine. And this 5-HT1 is somatriptan, are used in somatriptan. इसके अलावा भी बहुत से agonist antagonist मौजूद है. If I want to discuss that agonist antagonist individually, so it will take so much time. So I will discuss inshallah these antidepressants, antiemetic drugs, appetizer drug in the respective chapters in the series of videos inshallah. 5-HT serotonin, 90% serotonin are found in ECL, chromatin like cell, in the stomach, enterochromatin like cell of the stomach of GI system. Again, L-tryptophan is get internalized. L-tryptophan converting to 5-HTP in 5-hydroxytryptophan, 5-hydroxytryptophan converting into 5-tryptamine, and that is serotonin and internalizing in the vesicle. There is a M3 muscarinic M3 receptor which is GQ receptor. GQ coupled, when this is stimulated, there is increased calcium channel. This increased calcium channel releasing the these serotonin. These serotonin are get absorbed into the circulation, and from the blood circulation they are taken up by the transporter into the platelets. So platelets में काफ़ी serotonin, बहुत सारे serotonin platelets में पाए जाते हैं.